All right, so this problem is a mixture of it's in the section that's called mixture of all gas laws. It is number 4 on page 17. When you are doing these, I'm not telling you which one to look at. So this is why it's, again, really, really important to write down what variables are you looking at. Are you just looking at pressure, volume, temperature, number of moles? Well, then you're going to use the ideal gas law. But if you are starting with one and converting it to like starting in pressure, temperature, and volume and converting it, or it's changing somehow, then you're going to use one of the others, okay? So as we look at this problem, it says a balloon filled with air at 1.60 atm. So this is pressure. So we know pressure, we're going to have that 1.60 atm, and a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius, so that's going to be 291 Kelvin, and occupies a volume, so V, at 2.25 liters. Okay, if the balloon is left in the sun so that it expands to, so now we're going to get to a second set of volumes, so that has to be our V2 to 2.45 liters at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, what is the pressure of the air inside? So we are looking for our P2. Okay, so I'm using all three of these, so that means I'm using the combined gas law. All right, pressure and volume inversely related, pressure and temperature directly. These are my ones. I'm going to set it equal to the twos. Okay, again, first step, cross multiply. All right, P1, V1, T2. Okay, so I'm missing my P2, so I'm going to divide both sides by V2, T1. Okay, and so P2 equals P1, V1, T2 all over V2, T1. All right, plug in the numbers that we have. Okay. And I'm running out of space. In our T1, our T2 is 298 Kelvin. Okay, sorry for the little space over here. And divided by V2. All right, and our T1. Okay. Again, put everything on top in a parentheses, divided by everything in the bottom in parentheses. All right, and I get a pressure of 1.50 atms. Now, does this make sense? Right? Pressure and temperature. This doesn't seem like it makes sense to me. Okay, so pressure and volume are inversely related. So one increases, the other decreases. Perfect. Okay, but why? All right, so we get 1.50 atms for our pressure. All right, and we know volume and pressure are inversely related. And so as one increases, the other decreases. So that is perfect. All right, and so we are good to go.